Okay, I'm going to start turning it to go down towards 0. See how it bounced up? Bounce back again, and I'm not putting any weight on this or nothing. Back up 20. Still going. Now we're back up to 12. I just, to get it to 0 is almost impossible. There we go. I got it there. If I go up the other side now, I'm turning there and it's going 1, 7. And I'll try and 0 it again. I'm turning, nothing. And then I'll shut it off. You see how we were at 0. I'll get this zeroed, and then tomorrow, after I shut it off, this is running on the battery right now, by the way. Brand new battery in it. I'm just touching it, and it's bouncing. Like, we go from 1 to 14 like nothing. I'm going back towards 0, and then it bounces up to 7. Anyways, hopefully this will help you guys understand what I'm fighting here. She's old. Oh, you see the number there or not? Anyways.